Hello everyone, special thank you to Jeremy in Louisville, Kentucky. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry, as well as the most famous on YouTube. My name is See More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm going to have you see Mo Better look and Mo Better and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Jeremy's Oakley 8163 Centerboard. Now this is color 03, the polished clear in the 53 eye size. I'll have a link in the description below for anyone who wants this frame, as well as the end of the video. This frame comes in three sizes, 51, 53, 55. It comes in 6 colors. It sells for $152, complete with 1 free pair of clear single vision prescription, or in Jeremy's case, non-prescription lenses, but I'll get to those in a moment. It comes with the Oakley hard shell case, the Oakley cleaning cloth that doubles as a carrying bag. If you don't want to carry around the hard case, you get the original demo lenses. And of course, the star of the show, the main attraction, this is the Oakley Centerboard. I don't know if my camera's going to be able to pick up that print on a crystal frame. Again, as I repeat myself, it is model number 8163, color 03, the polished clear in the 53 eye size. So, I love a crystal frame. It is just hot. It looks great, matches everything. It's an incredible look now. Now, Jeremy spends a lot of time at the computer for his job or for whatever reason. I spend a lot of time at the computer, but I'm not doing any work. But he got the Zeiss. These are brand new. They've only been available this week. It's the Zeiss BlueGuard. And so the blue protection is built into the entire lens, and he's got the Duravision Platinum anti-glare coating on top of it. Now, you can get just the BlueGuard without any anti-glare coating, but if you want anti-glare, currently only Duravision Platinum is available with that. And usually I highlight the prescription, but I just left it blank because this is 00. This could be the right eye, this could be the left, it doesn't matter. They are aspheric, that's what AS stands for. A spherical lens is round in every direction. Aspheric has a flatter front curvature to fit in today's flatter curvature frames. It gives you a better cosmetic look. Now in prescriptions it gives you a wider field of view, but in Jeremy's case it's just a better cosmetic look without that fishbowl appearance in the frame. Now you hear blue light being discussed now as an issue coming from cell phones, tablets, computer screens, and of course the #1 source of blue light on the planet, the sun. So, by the way, coincidentally, these lenses have 100% UVA and UVB protection built into the lens. They're polycarbonate, so they're high impact resistant. As I mentioned, 100% UVA, UVB, and it has the most premium anti-glare coating of them all, with the least amount of reflections from any angle and any lighting. So, right now, currently, if you buy the Duravision Platinum, I get you the BlueGuard at no added choice in the stock lenses. And that's it. If you have any questions, go to the contact us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. If you want to talk to a live operator, call 919-491-2411. You'll get Jigsaw, my web developer / optical apprentice. He's in his 3rd year apprenticing. He's also a linguist, so he can speak many languages. And a health food nut. If you want to text in English only, I answer the text messages, he answers the phone calls. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But again, this frame sells for $152 with 1 free pair of clear single vision prescription or non-prescription lenses like Jeremy took advantage of. The Duravision Platinum with BlueGuard adds $99. All prices are tax-free with free shipping anywhere in the US. And that's it. So hit us up if you have any questions. Click on the link above in the top left hand corner of the screen to go to the website. And now hopefully everyone else has got a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.